Open the application by searching for Timeshift in the menu or launching it from the terminal with this command. If this is your first time using Timeshift, you will be prompted to configure it. Choose a snapshot type. Rsync is recommended for most users due to its flexibility and speed. You can save snapshots on your primary partition or an external drive if you have one. You can choose to schedule automatic snapshots daily, weekly, or monthly. Finally, click on the Create button to start creating a new snapshot. Timeshift will now begin the process of creating the snapshot, which may take some time, depending on the size of your system and the amount of data. Now that you have a reliable snapshot, you can proceed to upgrade Linux Mint by going to Update Manager tool. Restoring your system from a Timeshift snapshot is a straightforward process that allows you to revert to a previous state quickly, which is particularly useful if an upgrade or system change has caused issues. It is usually a good idea to pick the most recent snapshot taken before the issues started occurring. Once you have selected the desired snapshot, click the Restore button in the Timeshift toolbar.